Connecting a Canon G3010 printer to a laptop requires putting the printer into wireless pairing mode, using WPS Wi-Fi protected setup on your router, and installing the Canon driver software on your laptop. This tutorial outlines the steps. Step 1. Prepare the printer and network. Ensure the printer is turned on. The green on lamp should stay solid green. Verify that your Wi-Fi router is working properly and that your laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Put printer into wireless pairing mode. Locate the direct or wireless button on the printer. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 seconds. The Wi-Fi icon will begin flashing, indicating the printer is ready for setup. Press the color button once, then press the Wi-Fi or direct button again until the Wi-Fi lamp starts flashing rapidly. This indicates the printer is searching for a wireless network connection. Step 3. Connect via WPS. Go to your Wi-Fi router. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the router. The printer and router will attempt to connect automatically. While the connection is happening, the Wi-Fi lamp on the printer will continue flashing. Once the connection is successful, the Wi-Fi lamp will stop flashing and stay solid blue. Step 4. Install driver software on laptop. On your laptop, open a web browser and download the Canon G3010 full driver and software package from the official Canon website. Open the downloaded setup file and begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions. When asked for connection type, select wireless LAN connection. The setup program will detect your Canon G3010 printer automatically. Complete the remaining installation steps